It's a 2019 GMC Terrain. This SUV will be the perfect fit for your family with power and efficiency and surprising cargo space. It comes with all the amenities you need: auto-dimming rearview mirror, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth streaming audio, automatic transmission, dual zone climate control, GMC 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, external memory control, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. The Car Connection reports GM has carved out good space inside a tidy package and fitted the Terrain with very comfortable front bucket seats and a rear bench with enough support. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional grade tool. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.